Hola amigos! Today we're going to learn how to say "That's wonderful" in Spanish. And in order to learn how to use "That's wonderful" in Spanish, we're going to see a few examples using different contexts for you to understand how you can use this expression. Now, "That's wonderful" in Spanish is "Eso es maravilloso." So it is maravilloso that you watch the video and see the different ways in which you can use this expression. And towards the end of the video, you'll find a listening exercise in Spanish to improve your listening skills and your pronunciation. So if you haven't done so, click that button and subscribe. I upload videos every week and I cover vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, stories, music, and so many other areas and aspects about Spanish, including culture. So give me a click, help me to grow this channel because you make it possible for me to continue uploading free content for you. Muy bien amigos, are you ready to learn? Fantástico. Here we go. Aquí vamos. Today's video is entitled How to Say "That's Wonderful" in Spanish. So please make sure that you listen attentively. Listen to my pronunciation, copy me, and pronounce aloud in order for you to remember all these sentences. That's wonderful in Spanish is Eso es maravilloso. Eso es maravilloso. Eso es maravilloso. Muy bien. Now we're going to see more examples. If you want to say, "Such good news, that's wonderful," you would say, "Qué buenas noticias. Eso es maravilloso." Qué buenas noticias. Eso es maravilloso. Qué buenas noticias. Eso es maravilloso. Another example, otro ejemplo. That's wonderful to hear. Eso es maravilloso de escuchar. Eso es maravilloso de escuchar. Eso es maravilloso de escuchar. Muy bien. Prosigamos. Let us proceed to the next one. If you want to say, "It's a wonderful day," you would say, "Es un día maravilloso." Es un día maravilloso. Es un día maravilloso. This is a very common expression. Es un día maravilloso. Last time. Es un día maravilloso. Next one, siguiente. It's a wonderful idea. Es una idea maravillosa. Es una idea maravillosa. This is also a very popular and common expression. Es una idea maravillosa. Do your best to memorize these sentences as you could be using them on a regular basis. If you want to tell somebody or pay a compliment, you could say, "You look wonderful." Te ves maravillosa. Te ves maravillosa. You look wonderful. Te ves maravillosa. Te ves maravillosa. You look wonderful. Make sure you watch the video again until you reinforce all these phrases. That's wonderful. Eso es maravilloso. Una vez más, one more time. Eso es maravilloso. Please make sure that you repeat aloud. Eso es maravilloso. The time has come for us to do our Spanish listening exercises. Eso es maravilloso. Let's do it. Okay, amigos, the time has come now for us to practice our listening skills. So let us tune our listening skills in Spanish and let us get ready for the next ejercicio. But one thing, before proceeding any further, you need to remember the following. It is imperative that you pay close attention to the way I pronounce the words, and keep in mind the first half of the exercise, I will be talking very despacito, very slowly. And the second half of the video, of the exercise I will be talking at a normal pace, just like any other native speaker of Spanish. Muy bien, ¿estás listo? ¿Estás listo means, are you ready? ¿Estás listo? Yes, I'm ready. Sí, estoy listo. Muy bien. At the count of three, a la cuenta de tres. 1, 2, 3. Es maravilloso que estés aprendiendo español conmigo. Y es maravilloso que continúes y no te rindas, que seas una persona constante. Es realmente maravilloso ver cómo vas progresando de a poco. Primero, es un poquito difícil entender todo lo que digo, pero paso a paso vas a ir mejorando. El aprender lenguajes es realmente maravilloso. Y una vez que puedas comunicarte con otras personas en español, te vas a sentir muy satisfecho. Muy bien, amigos, es maravilloso to see you hanging around and getting ready for the second part of the exercise. Now, I'm going to talk to you at a normal rate, just like any other Spanish native speaker would talk to you. Muy bien, are you ready? ¿Estás listo? 1, 2, 3. Bueno, te cuento que estoy muy contento porque voy a ir al cine. Voy a ir a ver una película que se filmó en un lugar maravilloso. Se filmó en Machu Picchu y en una ciudad llamada El Cusco, en Perú. Sí, Perú es un país muy hermoso que está en Sudamérica. Tiene fronteras con Ecuador al norte, al sur con Chile y también con Bolivia, Brasil y también Colombia. Bueno, adivina qué película voy a ir a ver. Era una serie muy popular cuando yo era un niño. Era una serie de dibujos animados muy famosa, muy popular cuando yo era un niño. ¿Sabes qué película es? Sí, los Transformers. Voy a ir a ver los Transformers al cine. Está filmada en las calles del Cusco, que es una ciudad hermosa, preciosa, histórica. Te la recomiendo, es un lugar muy bonito. Y está muy cerca de una de las 7 maravillas del mundo. Maravilloso, Machu Picchu. Sí, ¿sabías que Machu Picchu es una de las 7 maravillas del mundo? Exacto. Es una ciudad perdida en las cimas de las montañas, en la cordillera de los Andes. Y realmente tiene unos parajes hermosísimos. Puedes viajar en un tren a un pueblo muy cercano a Machu Picchu llamado Aguas Calientes. En Aguas Calientes puedes ir a las termas, así es, aguas volcánicas, con muchos minerales que son muy buenos para tu piel. Y el aire fresco, limpio de la cordillera de los Andes es inigualable. Te recomiendo visitar alguna vez en tu vida Machu Picchu. Vas a tener un viaje, pero inolvidable, increíble. Yo estoy planeando visitar Machu Picchu, si Dios lo permite, a fines de este año. Me gustaría mucho. Y si voy a Machu Picchu, voy a filmar algunos videos para ti. Excelente, amigos. Muy bien. I hope that you were able to understand some of the vocabulary. If you were not, don't forget, as soon as I have the chance, I will be uploading some subtitles, both in English and in Spanish. In Spanish, so you can practice the pronunciation and read along as I pronounce these words. That way, you can familiarize yourself also with the written format of what I'm saying. And also in English, so that you can understand what I'm talking about and what I'm telling you. So perhaps a good idea would be for you to listen to the exercise with English subtitles. So you first gain an idea, an understanding of what I'm talking about. And then once you got an idea, context, you can start also using the Spanish subtitles. But whichever way, whichever you find easier for you, do it. But it will help you. And by the way, 90% of people that watch my videos don't subscribe. Come on, guys, click the button, subscribe, help me. I try to set aside as much time as possible to produce videos for you. And by subscribing, you help me grow the channel and you help me to make this possible. Sometimes it's very difficult. Sometimes, after working an entire day of arduous work, I'm so tired, but I enjoy doing this and I really want to help you. Muy bien, amigos. Take care, cuídate, and I'll see you soon. Nos vemos. Chao, chao.